towel animal invasion day, but the parents are letting all their kids take them. They're stealing them, all right and left. There goes one right there, but I don't want to show him. Stealing them all. I guess we can't enjoy them.
They're dinosaurs.
That pool behind me, nobody in it. Ain't been nobody in it all morning. One lady was in it a little while ago. I know they refilled it this morning, so I normally don't get in those pools, and all my friends are going to be shocked that I'm going to actually get in a pool. So here we go. Wish me luck.
Oh my gosh, Pat is in the pool.
I am. I told you I was getting in the pool. Here I am. And then these two young ladies said it was cold. It is not cold.
We didn't say that.
She did. Karen did. It is not cold. Karen will be shocked when she comes out and sees me in the pool.
Seriously, I'm shocked.
But let about 20 more people get in here and I will be out.
Then you will be out.
Because they drink beer in here all day long, and guess what? They never get out.
Yeah.
That's why I don't swim in the pool.
All right.
All right, so as you saw, I got in the pool. I've been in the pool for about an hour. Oh, look, it's Chan the man. Chan the man. And look at my shirt. It's got a line where I was sitting in the water up to that level. And I keep saying I'm not getting in this pool. I'm not getting back in that pool. It left a line on my shirt. Yep. And here's Chan. Look, Chan's got a shark. Dun, 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 dun. So here is Chan the man. You notice he's got a shark cup there. Chan, tell us about the drink. What can we get? How much is it?
The shark cups is empty. It's $11.50 plus the cocktail price, and you're gonna be enjoy like a boom sakala.
Boom sakala. Thank you, Chan.
Thank you.
Kevin's hungry and he dropped a cookie. That is a sin, Kevin. That is a sin.
Is that a roll? Here's your roll.
Yeah, this is lunch. We don't normally eat lunch.
Yeah,
Chris got a burger, a double burger. I got
burger, yeah.
a chicken rice bowl from the Blue Iguana Cantina. Terry got a healthy salad and a unhealthy piece of cake.
I told her not to get
Alice! He said he wanted to buy it.
He's gonna buy one. This one?
You get commission?
Huh?
You get commission?
If I guess?
Hold on. Alice just sold us a shark.
Huh?
Alice just sold us a shark. That'll probably turn on us. All right, here we are. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Babe, what are we doing? Yep, you saw that crazy crap where I got in the pool, right? Once it got full, I'm out. Getting back in there. I'm sure it's filling up with more than just people. They're gonna finally get done behind the glass.
How do you want it? Got it?
Where are we going?
We're not going. We're here. I'm already reading the menu. We're at dinner.
And guess what night it is? Lobster night. Yummy,
Elegant
yummy.
night. But we were talking to a lot of people on the way here, so we forgot to tell you where we were going. But we are here now.
Yeah, lobster night, prime rib night too.
We're here.
Not me, but
Bye-bye. Gotta eat.
gotta eat. I think they were 20 dishes on there. What you got?
Salad.
Really? Kevin eating salad? Really?
He does. He does.
Boy. Shrimp cocktail for me. Shrimp cocktail for Terry.
And
A salad.
Nothing.
Salad is coming.
Can't wait. But he also got a mushroom soup.
Yeah, he can.
I got a mushroom soup.
I would have to get off and drop the Tampa.
And poor Chris, still waiting on her salad.
and straw.
No, she got her straw.
But I got my drink.
She got her drink. You finally got your salad.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, and dressing.
Oh, salad dressing.
Yeah, balsamic.
Kevin got lobster number 1. I got lobster number 1. Terry got a lobster and salad. And Chris got a lobster that crawled out of the shell.
Put their shit.
Lobster, lobster everywhere. Lobsters everywhere.
I think we have to fish this one.
Terry got the prime rib. Chocolate melting cake, yummy, yummy. I got banana split. Terry got fruit. Wanda got chocolate melting cake, and she's getting a special gift
I am.
for a
I'm
special
special.
person. Because she's special.
Okay.
And Chris,
Look at Chris.
special cheesecake.
Just a picture of her with it.
Now look at this. They got a chocolate martini without me. That is not right. Not right at all. I'm going to get Kevin, and we're going to have one. Here I am on the Carnival Paradise with Lacey and Karen. And Karen is single and
Ready to mingle.
there you go. Off limits. Off limits. And so anyway, what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of 2.
There you go. So anyway, so if you find Karen on here, or again, off limits. All right? So got anything else to say?
No.
No? Done?
She said no.
She's
Tampa.
ready? Alrighty. Oh, don't mention that. We'll be back there in a day and a half. Alrighty. So we'll see you later. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey, babe, where we going?
We're not going, we're here, and we're actually at the 80s Pop and Back Show. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's
And
gonna
then-
be so good.
And then after that, as you saw, we talked to Karen and Lacey. You can go up on the deck and do the 80s rock and glow.
We might. Let's
Oh,
go.
by the way,
Lacey and-
it's a good thing we didn't go to the silent disco last night.
I wanted
Technical
to.
difficulties.
Oh, I'm glad we didn't go. I
Glad
want
we
to
didn't
go.
go.
We'll go next time.
Wake me up before you go, 'cause I'm not planning on going slow. Walking away, I don't know what I'm saying, I'm saying it. And it's all so I need a man who takes some chance on a love that learns how to not time. But every line for dreams, head over heels, went toe to toe. This is the sound of a soul. This is. Come on, yeah. I get up. Do you believe in love? 'Cause I got something to say about it, and it goes something like this. Don't go for a second night, baby, but you're not to the test. When music comes on, you break the color. Where did you come from, baby? If you want to take me there, I'd let you go to baby. And I'll be working all 9 to 5 to buy you things to keep me over. As a dream through the window, there's a sound of like a crescendo. He came into apartments, left the blood stains on the carpet. She waited at the table.
Now we're gonna meet. Hey, Paradise family, did you all enjoy the show? Well, everyone. Two reasons. Reason number one is this lady right here. Reason number two is this group of people up on deck 11, right by the staircase. Now this next song, I'm not gonna really tell you what to do. You just gotta sing this from your heart. You gotta sing it from your soul, all the way down to your toes. Let's kick it. Now this next song, I'm not gonna give you any prompting because I kind of want to see what they. However, both of y'all just came out here and did something. I'll be your friend. I will.
All right, very loud in here. Nowhere, no, it's late. Nowhere else to get a chocolate martini.
Let's wait till the midnight buffet.
Yeah, we did. And you saw everything else we did. So
It's like after, it's almost midnight
after
and we're ready to go to
midnight,
bed.
we're gonna let it off. No, I'm just kidding. You don't want to hear me say. All right. So anyway, so as I said, very loud in here. So we're gonna go ahead and have a.
United States Park.
You know why we drink those? You know.
So if I can get a sip of it.
You can have a sip.
One sip. I'm taking one sip.
All right, so tomorrow is the last day of our 10-day jaunt, which is a sea day. And then Sunday morning we'll be back in Tampa. Until the next one. Yep, back in Tampa on Sunday. So,
Sunday Father's Day.
So
yeah,
tomorrow-
we'll be back. We gotta go home. We gotta go home.
sure, tomorrow will be a pool day, all day. Yep, and a casino day.
No, just
All
play.
right, anyway, so we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see him tomorrow.
You'll see me tomorrow. You'll see them tomorrow.
Then,
See y'all
I
tomorrow.
bet we don't.
You said we would